Hello everyone, let's go and see what happened to our trade that we opened. As always, let's go and see what happening. I'm maybe going to get and create some live videos on trading and changing the strategies. But just for now, let's go and see what happened to our daily on Litecoin, our paper trading. I think we didn't lose anything and we are good. We are on the winner side of the chart. Let's go and see to our Litecoin. Okay, we lost a lot of money, I guess. Let's go and see if the price is okay. Trading panel, let's wait and see what happened. It's loading. We're just going to wait. Okay, we lost lots of money. We get sell here and we are down here. Okay, let me just zoom out. I'm seeing something that the price is going up to down from here. Because of that, I'm going to start another sell and let's make it. Now we need to just add take profit and a stop loss to it. Now we are going to change the stop loss and take profit. I'm going to get the take profit here and the stop loss to here. Okay, we are going big. If we lost 8,000, and if we win 9,000. And I don't really get why we get a good stop loss and we manage the risk and we come out with a, let's go to our trading history, account history. We get out with a little loss. It's a good thing, but it cover all of our wins and it's not good, but it's good for now. We create another one. Let's do a little more and then change the strategy. Until then, have a nice time.